Hi, Marie.
Hi.
Are you having fun?
We're surrounded by now.
Look at these guys. I'm taking pictures of people taking pictures of you. Classic. No, they're taking pictures of you. Guys.
You're a heavy one. Heavy. Let's try paddles.
Fight.
Let's try paddles.
Go ahead. Hey!
They caution.
Extreme close up. Extreme cocky close up. Wow.
I can't believe they're $4 just for that. That's ridiculous.
Extreme Rosella. Oh, it doesn't zoom on the video.
Look, they only like the sunflower seeds.
Extreme close up. Extreme.
Oh my god, don't record a 3-minute video. Are you mad?
I did.
Hi, Steve.
Hi.
Is this your new friend?
Yes, my new friend George. Is that a video?
Yeah.
This is my new friend George. Hello, George. What's happening? How about a kiss?
No. He'd probably bite you off. Probably bite you.
How about a little kiss? Back up. Extreme close up. Wow. Extreme Rosella close up.
50
Okay.
seconds.
Time for a cocky. Come on.
Put it in your hand. Put it in your hand. Yeah.
Come on.
Come on. Oh.
Come on.
Come on. You need more than that, Steve. Look at them all. There we go. Put it on your hand, Steve. No, like bring your hand. Yeah.
Come on, it's just a little jump. It's a little jump. It's a little jump.
He's not gonna do it.
Alright, hop on the tray. Come on, hop on the tray. Come on. Come on. Don't you hate that? Hop on the tray. Come on. No. No. Come on. Come on. Come on. Just give me some. Hop on the tray. Hop on the tray. Come on. Here, Will. Hop on the tray. Come on. Come on.
Put it in your hand and move away from them.
Oh, hi. Hi. How are you guys? Come here often?
Oh my god! Oh, that's the king parrot.
Hurry up. I am the king. I have the king parrot. This is the king parrot, and we're at Grant's Picnic Ground in Australia. We're here with a bunch of other tourists. Even though I live here, I'm still like a tourist. Yes. Will you take a video of me? Yes, and this is my friend King Parrot, and he's really pretty. Look at him, he's pretty. Come here, kisses.
And there's Rosella.
Rosella.
And there's a cockatoo.
Listen to you. Marie, look.
What? Bye,
What?
Steve.
Bye.